Hey y'all, welcome to Screen University. Today I'm going to be talking about 6 amazing films that are set in dictatorial regimes. Now, the moment you talk about dictatorial regimes or World War II, all you can think of is Life is Beautiful or Schindler's List, Inglourious Bastards, Unbroken, Hacksaw Ridge and movies like that which are very popular, or the older ones. But no, today I'm going to be talking about more recent movies and which are not that well known. So my first film today is called The Last King of Scotland. It is based on the dictatorial regime of Idi Amin on Uganda. Now what happens is that a Scottish doctor somehow comes in contact with Idi Amin and becomes his personal physician and is later appointed to reform healthcare system in dictatorial Uganda. And he soon becomes a close aide of the dictator. How the movie proceeds and progresses from there is a very interesting watch. Forest Whitaker won the Oscar for Best Actor in the year 2007 for this film. This is a must watch. Please watch it as soon as possible. So the second film on my list today is called The Death of Stalin. It was made in 2017. It's a more recent film and Steve Buscemi stars in this film. So what happens is that in 1953, after Joseph Stalin dies, his central committee struggles to get into power, and there's a lot of satirical black comedy that happens there. This movie is a must watch if you are interested in history, and this also is a very comedic movie, and the way it is written and some of those dialogues and even situations are so funny that you will simply love it. In fact, this movie raised a lot of controversy when it was also banned in some of the countries. In any way, it's a great watch. Do watch this film. So the next film on my list is called The Dictator. Now the only thing is, this is not about a real dictator. It's a fictional dictatorship in a North African country called Wadia, where Sacha Baron Cohen plays the role of Admiral General or something of called Aladdin. Now this is a brilliant satirical comedy that you should not and absolutely should not miss. Now one of the writers of this film is Alec Berg, who also created Silicon Valley for HBO. Now that is something, okay, those are actually very high standards of comedy. So what happens is that this dictator is actually a very racist, sexist, anti-Semitic, just like any other dictator. And he has been, he refuses to sell his oil fields, and then there is an intervention by the United Nations, and then he happens to travel to New York. So this whole scene is just, it is very offensive. So if you are a sensitive person, be careful. It's a very offensive comedy. Not as offensive as Borat, but this is still offensive. Okay, do watch this film. It's a fun film. So the next film on my list is called The Devil's Double. This is a 2011 Dutch-Belgian film and Belgian-Dutch film, and the premise is very interesting. So there is an Iraqi soldier who looks exactly like Saddam Hussein's son. One day he's taken away and he's made the body double of Saddam Hussein's son. So body double is basically a political decoy. That means you employ such people to become their impersonator. So he has to exactly look like him and act like him and appear at places and things like that. So, and from his perspective, how was Iraq during Saddam Hussein's regime? We get a very good insight into that, and it's an action comedy. I'm sure it's, I don't know if it's based on real events or what, but it's a very fine film. Do watch it. So the next film on my list is called The Captain. Now the one thing that is unique about this film is that this film is entirely shot in black and white. Now the kind of artistry that is displayed in cinematography is unparalleled. Now what happens in this film is that there is a paratrooper, a normal level soldier of the German army. It's the final weeks of World War II. And this guy is actually deserted the German army and is running away. So while running away, he finds a jeep with a captain's uniform inside that jeep. So he wears that captain's uniform and starts impersonating that captain. As he ravages through the villages of Germany, he tells everyone that he's the captain, and Hitler himself has given him a mission to raise the morale of the losing German side. So it's the final weeks of the war, and like everybody is almost given up, a lot of people have deserted, but this guy finds that uniform and changes a lot of things, and then he takes charge of a concentration camp. Now that is where things get very interesting. Some brilliant and violent writing in this. Do watch, do not miss this. This is my personal favorite in this list. So the last film on my list is called Conspiracy. It's a 2001 film developed especially for HBO. It's a TV film. That means it never released in theaters. And this is a film that is set in 1942 and it revolves around the events of the 1942 Venice Conference. Now that is a conference where highest officials of the Nazi Empire they met to decide on the final solution of the Jewish question. Now what this is, you please go and read about it. This is a very disturbing topic. So now what is special about this film is that this film is entirely based on conversation and some real intense drama, and it gives an insight into the psychology and the way these people, the Nazis, were thinking at that time. So this is a highly disturbing film. If you have do some basic reading about World War II and then watch this film, that will help you understand what this film is about. Some of the performances are top notch, the direction is top notch, especially the writing is disturbing, it tears your heart into pieces. So this is my list for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and please share this channel with your friends. If you want more curated content, do follow, like, share, comment. Thank you very much.